Маса за двама. Двама учители. What is this form двама? And how actually we count people in Bulgarian? Yes, it's not exactly the same as when we count objects in Bulgarian. How so? We will see this in our video today, and we will guide you every step of the way so that in the end it really makes sense for you. Why we say masa za двама, table for two? Because we want to say table for two people. We don't say masa za dva, masa za dve, we say masa za двама. But let's go one step behind and see when we use dva and dve. Dva we use when we count, pay attention, masculine objects and animals. Два стола, two chairs, два лъва, two lions, and so on. Две we use when we count feminine objects and people and neutral objects and people. You've heard me correct. Objects and people. Две жени, two women. Две чаши, two glasses. Две деца, two children. Две кафета, two coffees. Два, it's for masculine objects and animals. Yes, два, in the end. This is the first thing that confuses our students. I see it every day working with them because два, normally they say aha, dva. So it should be something with feminine because they already know is something with feminine. But no. These rules, it's not us who we have invented them. We're just trying to make it a bit easier for you to remember it. So dva is masculine objects and animals. Let's go to people. People, not just people, because as we said, people, women, female, and people neutral, like children in Bulgarian, they're neutral gender. They go the easy way. It's the same way if we say много a lot or if we count them. But for masculine people, or masculine and feminine together in some other languages, in French also, for example, or I guess also in other languages, if you have together men and women, the masculine gender dominates. We talk here about grammar, so the masculine gender dominates, and men and women together, we count them as masculine gender. So, men, alive people, or men and women together, they go a bit in a different way. We call it мъжколична форма, so the masculine form for people. Двама. We add ma in the end, and not only for the word two, два, but for all the other numbers. Трима, three. Трима мъже, three men. And it goes even further. Четирима, петима, шестима, and so on. But probably the other forms they're not so often used. But in theory, you can say седмина for seventh men, like if we want to count them. A lot in fairy tales, actually, in Bulgarian, you can hear these forms. But let's say for everyday life, it's absolutely enough to say, let's say, двама, трима, четирима, петима, more than enough. But be careful to say it. Whenever you hear ma in the end, yes, this is, I repeat, when you count masculine people. And here it goes another step, like towards you. Because here you need to remember that actually when you count two teachers and many teachers, the word for teachers, учители, stays the same. So you say двама учители, много учители. I say it like this because you know very well when you count objects, you have two different forms of plural. For example, много столове, many chairs, and два стола. You have two different forms. That's why some people, even Bulgarians, sometimes you can hear them saying двама учителя. No, this is not correct. And I can give you a lot more examples, but probably you have heard some of them. Let us know in the comments. It's not entirely, how to say, very difficult if you say like this for people to understand you, because yes, even Bulgarians sometimes they use it, but it is the normally officially accepted incorrect form, so try to say it in the right way. For example, двама приятели, two friends, много приятели, a lot of friends, and so on and so on. Let us know also in the comments if you have questions for this topic. I know it's not an easy one. In our classes, in our educational center, we go with this topic again and again and again. And if we have some of our students watching us, I think they can 100% confirm. And it's also not something bad, just it is a difficult topic. And it takes reviewing it, repeating it, reminding. So that's why we create these videos, so that you can go rewatch, replay, make a reminder somewhere, make a small note, because there are a lot of these small rules, and it's like putting a puzzle. So learning a language, it's really, think about it like putting a puzzle. You need to put all the small pieces. And yes, sometimes you can guess what's the puzzle about. Is it, I don't know, like a picture, animal, child, or anything, but you don't see some pieces. The more you learn, the more you put the pieces on the right places. And all of a sudden, you see the whole picture, but it takes time. It's not an easy journey, but we're here to guide you. Let us know also in the comments if you want us to create any other kinds of videos, something else that interests you. We're here to help you.